Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to close your account in eToro.com 2026. If you no longer want to use eToro, you can close your account directly from the platform before closing and make sure you have withdrawn any remaining funds. And in today's video, I'll show you how to close your eToro account step by step. Just follow these few simple steps. Now, before we start, the first thing you want to do is to open your browser. Whether you're using your computer, you're gonna go to your browser, and if you're using your mobile device, you're gonna open the app. Then you're gonna make sure you enter your account. You're gonna click on the eToro.com website and make sure you log in with your account. You're gonna click on login and log in with your account's credentials. And after that, you're gonna make sure to click on the settings here. And before you do that, you're gonna withdraw your funds. Now before closing, close the open trades and withdraw your available balance. And make sure your balance is 0. After that, you're gonna go to the account settings. You're gonna click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner. Click on the settings right here to access the settings. As you can see, these are the settings. Now you're gonna find the close accounts option. You're gonna scroll down and select close accounts. You're gonna usually click on the accounts. Here is displayed all the accounts details, so you're going to click on here and find the option to close the account. You may be asked to choose a reason for closing, so make sure to define a reason and confirm the closure. You can follow the confirmation steps and confirm your decision, and once confirmed, your account will be closed. Now, closing your eToro account in 2026 is straightforward, but always make sure your funds are withdrawn first. And if you ever change your mind, you may need to contact the support to reactivate it. And this is it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.